Means you are saying that if you are getting any you are getting successful response, so how can
Yes,
we
yes,
update
yes.
that status, right?
Yes, means its testing is finished, or we are getting a error or something like that.
So if you see in this response section, so you are sending this invalid email ID, okay, and you are getting this response, okay. So this response is giving you something error. Now in this case you can say that this test case has been tested but it is failing, that you are getting something went wrong. In this case you can raise a bug, or if you are getting unauthorized error or 200, in that case you can say you have done testing for this use case, it is complete. If you are getting the response, then you can say that process has been completed, okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah, so even you can
Means
see here there is a
in
stat.
Jira only we have to update it.
Yes, in Jira only.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. And even using API testing, so using API testing, you can have the test performance testing also, your security testing, yeah, load testing. So you can calculate the performance of the API, how much time it is taking to give the response. So in many cases, it happens that the specific API is taking more time as per your expectations. So it is taking more time. So which API is taking how much time? So that we can calculate from here only. Okay. In case of you are learning JMeter and you need to do the performance or load testing. Okay. In that case, you need to have this knowledge of APIs. That time only you will be able to do the performance testing using JMeter. You can also learn JMeter by your own also if you are good with these fundamentals, these basic things. Any other question? One more thing, I will share the one document with you. So I think I have that document with me right now only. Uh, API interview questions. I don't have the my MS Office installed in this laptop. I can show you here only. Okay. So here are few 150, 160 questions. So you can go through it. So these are the basic questions which will cover your all the basic fundamentals. So what is different between API and unit testing? What are different between API testing and UI testing? What are major challenges of faced in API testing? What are common API errors that often founded? What kind of bug that API testing would be often find? So whenever you will be preparing API testing, you need to be ready with your example. Suppose interviewer asking, have you tested a post request? So he will ask you, give me some real-time example or which API you have tested. You can take example of any post request which data you are storing to the server. You can take example of sign up request or sending any updates to the server. So for every concept, for everything, you need to be ready with the one example. So interviewer can say that yeah, you have really worked on this API testing and you have the good experience and you are quite aware of in and out of API testing. And if you want to go with the automation for API testing, you need to learn basic core Java or Python. So using REST test suite framework in Java, you can write you can implement an automation test cases for the API testing, and using Python also you can do that. Yeah, but for that you need to clear your fundamental things and you need to learn core Java or Python. Okay, that's it from my side. If you have any questions, you can ask. We have about 5 to 10 minutes. Any question, guys? If not, then I can close the call.
Sir, if possible, can you send your PPTs also?
Yes, I will share PPT, SQL script, question answers, and the jar file.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
So once you are done with the Postman, so you try to install SOAP UI. So same thing you can do in SOAP UI also. So if you can add 2 points as you have tested API using SOAP UI and Postman also. Okay, any question? Okay, then if you don't have any question, then we can close this call. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for attending this session. If you have any questions, doubts, you can connect with me. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.